Good day everybody, today we got this Porter 2 double cab model 2011. It's a tow car, a Reka tow car. And let's take a look at it, review it for you. The door is clean, but a little bit of rust over there. Let's check this one as well. See the other side. Again, this door. Here we are inside the car right now. Let's start it on. Okay, lights are on as you can see. Let's start. Alright, engine started. Lights are gone. Everything looks good so far. Let's try to accelerate and listen to the engine sound. Okay, 1, 2, 3. One more time. Alright, everything looks good. RPMs go up very smoothly. Sound of the engine is also very good. Let's check out other functions in the car. We got the windows control here. For the window, let's check the other side. Works perfectly. This one too. This one is not working. This side looks like it's not working. This side here, this one is working. Only that side, I can't control it from my side here. Alright, let's try the radio here. Anyway, like there's no channels around this area, it's a bit far from the city, but the radio is working just fine, perfect, it's in a perfect condition. Let's try the AC here. Switch on the fan. Cold. AC. Alright, AC is working perfectly. Hear the sound of the wind. Blowing really strong. The wind is blowing very cold. It's so cold and strong. AC working just fine. Alright, we got the clutch here. Moves very easily. No problem at all. Show you the seats here, they're very clean as well. Yep, that's all inside. Here we go, here's the engine. No smoke or oil.
Alright, here we go. Now I'm gonna show you how to control this tilt here. The tow car. We got a remote control here for it. Okay, press this one. You can go down. This one up, down. This button here. Okay, start again. This one here. Let me get the wheels. The right one goes first, and the second one goes after. Alright. This one here for the... This one here. Okay. Now we're back again. Alright, as you can see, it's working perfectly, no problem at all. Everything looks just fine.
Esta es BUSYMAN.KR, empresa comercializadora de automóviles usados. Vendemos autos a bajo precio y los enviamos al puerto donde lo desee. Suscríbete, dale a me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Contáctanos por nuestro sitio web o por WhatsApp Messenger. Buen auto y buen precio. BUSYMAN.KR. El número de teléfono celular es más 8210-7353-2398.
Finishing the review here of this Porter 2 double cab, the tow car, Reka. If you're interested in this car, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.
Si está interesado en este automóvil, contáctenos. El sitio web es BUSYMAN.KR. El número de teléfono es más 8210-7353-2398. Suscríbete, dale a me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Si subo otro video, te lo haré saber. Gracias.